If you have a WordPress website and you can't save ChatGPT output because of the emojis, this video is for you. I recently had this for one of my client websites and I was stumped. I couldn't work out exactly how to fix the issue. And then of course I've worked it out, so I thought I'd create a quick video about how we fix this. This is a tech video, but if anybody out there is having this problem, this is a surefire way to make sure that you can get those emojis saving properly. Let's jump on into the screencast and I'll show you how this is done. Okay, so if you have emojis and you want to save them and your posts aren't working, you're getting an error. It's likely because this content here needs UTF-8 encoding and your database is likely not correct. So how do you work this out? Well, first of all, I installed a thing called WP Adminer. So let's have a look at our installed plugins here on this particular site. And inside of here, I have this database manager, WP Adminer installed. That allows me to go to WP Adminer. And when I opened up, I found this collation, UTF-8 MB3 Unicode CI. That's not correct. WordPress table shouldn't be that. And I'd done a migration from another server provider and moved this over to this particular provider that I'm providing for my end client, and nothing was saving. And we're a bit stumped for a while as to what it was. And then I noticed that the newer tables that I'd installed had this UTF-8 MB4 Unicode 520. So I did a local install, created this post and said, yep, that all works. And when I looked at the database, this is what I saw, UTF-8 MB4 Unicode. So I realized that I had to change that. So I did an alter table and I opened up the post table here and I changed this to 520 Unicode MB4. And then I did that for all of the major fields as well. Clicked save and everything worked. So if you have this problem with ChatGPT emoticons or emojis or whatever you want to call them, when you paste these in, it doesn't save. In that case, you will want to check the encoding of your database as a first step. Now you could filter them out, you can do all sorts of different things to get rid of those emojis, but the best thing to do is double check that collation inside your database, and if that's then correct, then start looking at other possible issues. I found in this case, it was the encoding of the database. As soon as I saved that, everything started working correctly, and I spent ages trying to find out, so that's why I made this video. Hope it helps. Okay, well, I hope you liked that quick tip. If you want more tips like this, why don't you subscribe to the channel or check around here somewhere for other videos that are recommended to you from our channel with other WordPress tips. If you can't find your answer, leave a comment below, leave a suggestion for something that you would like a video on, and I'll make a video about it. And I'll see you in the